where we are today. Let's go play and have a fun shopping adventure together. Come on, let's climb these colorful stairs together. Green, pink, yellow, orange, blue. Slide. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump! Peekaboo! Boo! Can you see me? These balls are so soft! Catch them! Whee! Catch this pink ball! Catch this blue ball! It's so fun! What's this? Look! A lion! Can you roar like a lion? Roar! Roar! I think there are more animals hiding. Look! A cow! Let's act like a cow. Moo! 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 What's hiding? Wow! A sheep! How does a sheep sound? Ba ba. Ba ba. Let's go see what's next. Yay! Wow! Look at all these vehicles. Let's drive the school bus. Beep, 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 beep. The traffic signal is red. Means we have to stop the bus. The light is green. Green means go. Look, it's a police car. Nina, Nina, Nina. Can you say it with me? Nina. Look, a fire truck. Fire trucks help put out fires with water. Thank you, firefighters. That was so fun. Now let's go grocery shopping. First, let's get our shopping cart. Look, broccoli is green. Let's take 1 broccoli. Orange carrots. Let's count them. 1 and 2. Look at this tomato. Wow, a yellow bell pepper. It's bright yellow. Yellow bell pepper goes in the cart. Friends, let's see what we picked today. Can you help me? What is this? A tomato. We have 1 tomato. 2 orange carrots. 1 big green broccoli. Do you know what this vegetable is? Yes! It's a bell pepper. 1 bell pepper. Yay! Our healthy vegetable shopping is done. Healthy food helps us grow big and strong. It was so fun. Give me a big wave. Bye-bye. See you in my next Playday adventure. Let's go home and finish our homework. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.